To do an outfit of the day in the gym. I'm so tired. Today was a hybrid day, so it was like half resistance, half cardio based. My New Year's resolution for the gym, like the gym asked, like, hey, do you have a resolution? And mine is to show up more on the cardio based days because I don't like them. Before I started coming to F45 regularly, okay, YG. Before I came here, I couldn't do the burpees. My belly would get in the way. I could barely do a push-up. Now I can kind of do about 5 push-ups on my toes. Was nowhere near pull-up. Couldn't even hold myself up. Now I can hold myself up for like 5-10 seconds. Progress, people. I've only like really committed to this since like this summer, last summer, summer 21. So lots of patience here. And if you don't know, what I'm trying to do is be my best self, in my best shape, things like that, etc. in the next 3 to 5 years. I'm not trying to like be fit for my birthday, which is next month in February. I'm not trying to be fit by the summer, bikini body ready, whatever, but the beach is gonna get whatever body I bring it, okay? Today's workout was just very nicely difficult, so I'll see you when we get home. I need to cook something. I'm starving, so bye. Alright, we're home. It's actually a while later. But I just want to show you what I got real quick and then I'm going to get started with my dinner. I got this first from Aldi. Let's do Aldi. First I got this baby spring mix. Well, spring mix. Just to add with my romaine lettuce, you know, a fancier salad. Some green onions. Green onions go well with everything. We always need some piña. I got bananas. I got a green cabbage. So many things you can do with green cabbage. I got some garlic cloves. I got a few Roma tomatoes. That was from Sprouts. I got some strawberries. I got some baby bella mushrooms. What else did I get from Aldi? I also got this spaghetti squash that I'm gonna make for dinner tonight for me and my honey love. Then I got a bag of onions from Aldi. They were on sale. This is like $1. It's under $1.75. So that's like amazing. Cause look how many freaking onions. And dang. Oh, I also got that. Sorry, it's a little unorganized. I got this bag of frozen chicken breast. My boyfriend is on like a I'm gonna eat less chicken, or sorry, he's gonna eat less meat to help, you know, hopefully help with his digestive issue. Sorry if I'm like exposing you, honey. But so I got the frozen chicken breast because it's more, it's scaring me. It's more forgiving. Like, it's harder for me to let frozen chicken go bad than like fresh chicken that I forget about that I had, and then it just rots away in the fridge. So we're not gonna do that anymore. So I got a frozen. I can just thaw a piece or two at a time. Then from Sprouts, I need to bring like mason jars or something so that I could just have them like, you know, fill up these little containers. So I got this vanilla almond granola, just a touch. Some wild rice, raw almonds, some avocados for my salad, Jason's salad, 1 courgette, which is a zucchini. I got blackberries for $1.50. I also got him oat milk yogurt because he's not having dairy. So I got him Oatgurt Nancy's probiotic oat milk. Here's what we're looking like. I got some oat milk, my minestrone. We got a little Spam from the other day, some eggs, baby spinach, green beans, other veg, part of a pineapple, Modelo, because it's always Modelo time. I put my herbs in there. It's parsley and cilantro. I need to put my new berries in here. This looks so sad. Got my mushrooms. Okay, let's see. I know something in here needs to be cleared out. Where's my stool? This is good enough. Good enough for me. Usually worse. So, good enough for me. Let's put our berries. I got this blueberry holder from TJ Maxx. I love it. This little pineapple piece. This is leftover congee, veggie congee, and rice. I do have strawberries and blackberries to put in there. Nice, nice, nice. I do want to make a fruit water, infused water, so we're gonna do that too. You never seen a vegetable in your life, huh?
What is that?
It's butter. No, it's a spaghetti squash. So when it cooks, it looks like noodles.
That's insane.
Jason's not eating meat again. I gotta get creative. Sofrito for our sauce. I'm about to add in my tomato paste and my spices, and then I'm gonna saute that before adding my San Marzano tomatoes. And I'm going to put my spaghetti squash in the oven. A bug. Got my spaghetti squash, my amazing and gorgeous sauce. Then we have the salad. We got our salad. I am woman. Here we go. We have our spaghetti squash roasted in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes, then finished at 375 for 5. Did my homemade tomato sauce. I have my romaine spring mix salad here. Got some avocado. Don't forget to season your salad. We put a little salt and pepper. An olive oil drizzle will be good. I'm gonna add some Italian, and there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed going to the gym with me again and grocery shopping and cooking dinner. Have a great night. Have a great weekend.